Hey, it's Haley from Kingdom Cuisine. Today we're going to be talking about the Tower of Pancakes from the Bon Voyage Adventure Breakfast. Trattoria al Forno is home to the Bon Voyage Adventure Breakfast, a delightfully charming character breakfast with fantastic food and familiar faces. From the start, guests are enchanted with a variety of pastries that are only just the beginning. With themed entrees to select from, this lively atmosphere is one exciting way to start the day. From the breakfast menu comes the Tower of Pancakes. 3 extra thick, extra fluffy pancakes soar high off the table. These soft pillows are served over an apple compote and topped with powdered sugar in a familiar pattern. The pancakes are served alongside bacon or sausage. We requested fresh fruit instead. The warm and soft pancakes pair beautifully with the refreshing and light apple compote. While this is a large entree, you will find yourself making your way to a clean plate. Reservations are highly recommended and do fill quickly. Be sure to plan ahead. Do you love food and all things Mickey-shaped? Share your delicious snacks with us on Instagram and be sure to tag #SnackSquad to be featured.